Y'all see it, packages are in. For Big Dolo, packages are in. What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Packages are in. Packages are in, man. They came in yesterday and some just came today. Right now, today, for Big Dolo. Cause y'all know it's not Dolo no more. It's Big Dolo now. He done upgraded. He ain't small no more. It's Big Dolo. So, look, man, we make a move happen. Quick. Real quick, but y'all see, well, y'all, if you saw the other vlog, then you know Dolo gone. He gone from his spot. He getting stuff done. Dolo gonna be gone probably about 2 weeks. It's at Lawless Street Cars right now for the people that skip over vlogs that missed the one from yesterday. It's at Lawless. That's where it's at. Getting cleared for the wheels, cause y'all know I scrub the tires all the way down. Scarred the tires all the way down. So you know. But it's all good. Y'all see it raining today. So we got parts in. This just a part vlog. Ain't nothing special. For Big Dolo. So y'all know I'm going to unbox and open everything for y'all and all of that. So let's just get to it. Alright. So here we go. Here we go. Oh, we back at it again. That's what they say, ain't it? By now, people should know what these boxes is, though. I get so many of these white boxes right here. People should already know, but don't know. And people that do know, don't know how they look, though. Yeah, boy. I've been waiting on these. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Waiting on these. Boy, yo. Woo. Big Dolo finna be carrying tires, boy. I'm telling you. Look, when I ain't scrubbing them radios no more, Big Dolo gonna carry the tire. I probably wouldn't even use these things a lot like that. They were funny though. That's what's funny. I probably wouldn't even use these a lot. Ooh, oh. Why we in there? Hold on. Let me get this bad boy out here. Yes, indeed. SSRs. I love them SSRs. They're more kind of light. They lighter than them 15s, I tell you that. Yeah, we better use this. This is deep cap. Yeah, that cap real deep. So we better use these cap. Ooh, look at that. That thing clean. I'm gonna tell y'all something. I wanted these for the back. These the wheels I wanted for the back. They had the right bolt pattern, but the back spacing, they didn't have the right back spacing I needed in these wheels. So that's why I'm having mismatched backs and fronts, but it's cool. And I'm gonna tell y'all something funny. They had these, the right ones in the front. And I looked for the matching front wheels for my back wheels. They didn't have them in the bolt pattern. That's crazy. So the back wheels, my back racing wheels y'all see on Dolo, they didn't have the front runners in my bolt pattern. It like all they sold was the back wheels. But these, they had the back wheels in my bolt pattern, but didn't have the right back space. So I like, man, it is what it is. So I wanted these. These are the original ones I planned on getting for Dolo. For the front and the back, so y'all can see. But, like I said, they ain't have them right bolt pattern. I mean, they back spacing. So, we got new front runners and bam, we got these too. We already got the tires, same size tires, the same size tires I got for what's the last tire I bought? Oh, for Rhythm and Blues. So now we got some more. Y'all know I couldn't resist, man. Now we got some more add to the tire collection over there. Add it to the tire collection. Hold on, I got y'all. Let me bring y'all up. Let me bring y'all up. One of the radios for Dolo gone, cause you know Jesse needed to clear it. But look at all these tires, man. So you got one more radio got to go on top of there, and then you finna have 2 more front runners. So now I got 3 sets of racing wheels, complete sets for all cars. Now the good thing about these, I can use these on. I can switch these out between Dolo and Big Meech. But I'm gonna end up having to get Big Meech his own set of racing wheels too. Cause I'm like, what if I want to go to the track and take both of the boxes and then put radios on both of them and let both of them eat? Then I can't be jacking Dolo up, taking their wheels off, putting it on jack. I can't be doing all that. So I'm gonna have to have my own set of wheels and tires for Meech. Now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I might get Meech some expensive wheels. I love these Jegs cause I'm not seriously trying to race. They definitely a budget oriented wheel, racing wheel, but I mean they look good though. But you know, you can get the wheels and stuff like that a lot more expensive. The wheel racing rims are like the Forgiatos and the Money Forges and all of that when you're talking big wheels. And if you're into racing, then you know how much these wheels cost. People that's into just the big rim game, I had somebody that say, man, boy, I didn't know this stuff did high. I said, yeah. Them 15s, you can buy some 15s, like these 15s right here. You can buy some 15s that'll cost the price of some big rims if you get some wheels and stuff like that. I'm telling you, they is high. But for what I do, you know, I like these because I'm not just trying to seriously be competitive like that. Because if I did, y'all will see totally different engine combos. Believe me, it'll be some radical stuff. But I ain't trying to get to that point. I like to enjoy my cars. I ride them around, I show out, hit the track here and there. Good content, take people on ride. That's what I like to do. Catch a race here and there. You know, I catch me a body here and there. But don't, you know, I do my stuff right. I don't cut no corners. When I really do stuff, I don't cut no corners, and then I spend the money. I don't have no problem spending the money or getting stuff done what I want to get done so to perform how I need to perform. So, yeah, man, look. Like I said, it's a rainy day outside. Y'all see it raining. It's a rainy day. Shell out here demolishing her scooter. But anyway, like I said, y'all, we out here. Had to show y'all. We got the tires in. I ordered the tires off of eBay. I tell y'all, get your tires off of eBay. This is a 185, I think. A 185 or 165. Let me see. Yeah, oh, it's a 165/80. 165/80/15. Get these tires for your front runners. Get them tires for your front runners. 165/80/15. Same size. If y'all want to see how it look on the rim, same size I got on the Cutlass wheel. These are John Jones front runners. I still ain't even hit the track with these yet. Y'all know I bought the lug nuts. That's what I'm gonna take to the track next. Man, I'm gonna take John Jones, put it on the trailer. But yeah, these the 165/80s. That's how they look on the wheel. So yeah, and we still ain't took Rhythm and Blue to the track and tried it on the slicks yet. Never tried it on the slicks, so I got 2 to try. We gotta take Rhythm and Blues to the track, try it on the slicks, and then we gotta take John Jones and put all the front runners and stuff. Cause I have not tried this car on the track with all like race ready since I got all the stuff done to it. So y'all know we're gonna let it eat. When I put that race gas in there, I'm gonna turn it up. So I'm gonna turn it up. I might turn up to 18 pounds of boost. See what it do. Still won't have no timing in it like that, but we might turn it up. So I don't know, man. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what car I think I need to take to the track next. We got a baseline on Dolo, big Dolo. We know what they're gonna do. Meat's gonna get put together quick. Meat's gonna be on that type of time. Y'all should see by now, man. I'm not playing. Meat's gonna be on that type of time. I told y'all we had to make up for last year, man. We had a little rocky last year, but we ended with a bang. but we started out 2021 on fire. We ain't playing. We started off on fire, so we still rolling, man. We still rolling. So we got rims in for Big Dolo. It's at Lawless. If you saw the vlog, it's at Lawless. It's getting cleared for the 275s. So then when we get it back, it won't be no more scrubbing. Then it's immediately going straight to Hustle Hard and put it back on the trailer. Quit for y'all fall now. And I'm gonna take it to Hustle Hard, and we're gonna get the fuel system straight. Cause y'all see saw the dyno video too. So we're gonna get the fuel system straight, and when it come back, it's gonna be ready to tell you, it's gonna already be tested, everything. And when I get it back, it's gonna be ready to go. I'm going back to the dyno, run on motor, put up even bigger numbers on motor, and then we're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it with the gas. We're hitting it with the gas, and that bad boy gonna do something unthinkable. I promise y'all. For this car, my car is a true street car. All my cars are true street car, man. For cars that sit like me, man, the car riding. I can't lie. I gotta toot my own horn. The car is riding. Y'all know Dolo was put together all from ground up from me. And Frank did the engine. Hustle Hard Performance did the engine. Everything else, I had my hands on that car. So Dolo ride, man. John Jones ride. John Jones so smooth, people just don't even know what type of timing on. For all my cars, full interior, everything work. You can drive them to another state if you want to. Dolo gonna have AC on it too. I ain't got that AC compressor on there for nothing. Dolo's gonna have AC on it. So for my cars that ride like they ride and run the numbers they running, I'm telling you, it's a contender. It's a contender. I'm telling y'all, it's super impressive. Y'all see with time, man. With time, when I chilled out and I raced a few people, I'm gonna tell everything. I'm gonna tell everything whatever called. I don't do it to try to be super competitive. I like to have fun. I just hate when you tell stuff. You got people that watch the videos, that act like they don't watch the video. You get to the track, they want to race you this and that, call you done slipped, you know I'm out there, but you can make that work in your favor. You can tell anything. You know, you can make some magic happen with videos. That's why I tell people, I show what I want to show at the end of the day. I tell what I want to tell. So you can let a person let their mind wander. But yeah, y'all, this was just an update video, man. It is raining. It ain't nothing I can do for y'all anyway. It's raining. But I'm keeping y'all in the loop with everything. Instead of just getting stuff in and y'all pop up and y'all just see I magically got some wheels. So yeah, that's it, y'all. That's it. So look, man, I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow because we're gonna have some sunshine. I'm probably gonna hop in Rhythm and Blues and drive it because I ain't drove that car in about over a week or whatever. So I'm gonna hop in it, drive it, and we're gonna see what it do, and probably hit the track. Might hit the track next week. We got some sunshine. I'm gonna hit the track. But and me and Cuzzo gonna have that Ray coming up. Man, I'm finna put this man clean in the concrete. I ain't even gonna put him in the dirt. I'm gonna put him in the concrete. Cause my body slamming so hard, it's gonna go through the ground and he going under the concrete. He gonna be under the concrete. I told y'all from now on, I want y'all to go to that man video and I want y'all to put this. Put # WWE. That's his new name. It ain't Michael Myers, it's WWE. Cause Big Dolo about to body slam him. We gonna body slam him, and then we're gonna pick him up, we're gonna help him up, and then John Jones gonna body slam him too. Like, boom! That's how it's gonna be. So, y'all go to his video and put # WWE. I promise y'all, he gonna get body slammed this month. He getting body slammed this month. So, we're gonna take Michael Myers out. So, y'all go to his video, go put WWE. Cause he gonna know what that means. He getting body slammed by Big Dolo. So, yeah, that's it, y'all. We're gonna catch y'all later.